Law Enforcement Code of Ethics. As a law enforcement officer, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and property, to protect the innocent against deception and the weak against operation of intimidation, and the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsealed as an example to all. Maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, or sword or ridicule. Develop self-resistance and be constantly mindful of welfare of others. Honest in thought and deed in both my personal and official life. I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the land and the regulation of my department. Whatever I see or hear of a confidential nature or that is confident to me in my official capacity will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary in the performance of my duty. I will act officiously and permit personal feelings, prejudices, and animosity, or friendship, or to influence my decision with the compromise for crime and with reckless prosecution or criminals. I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately without fear or favor, malice, or ill will, never employing unnecessary force or violence, and never accepting gratitudes. I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of public faith, and I accept it as a public trust to be held so long as I am true to the other members of the police service. I will constantly strive to achieve these objectives and other deals, dedicating myself before God to my chosen profession, law enforcement.